In this lesson, I am going to show you how to add horizontal text scroll in Premiere Pro. To do that, first of all, we are going to create our text. After creating and formatting your text, you are going to make sure that the text style is the same duration as the clip on the timeline, or how long you want the text to last. And also make sure the text is well positioned. After doing that, head over to the timeline, select the text, and go to Effects Controls. Within Effects Controls, you are going to expand the text and then scroll down to Positions. And then you are going to add a keyframe to position, and then move the text all the way to the right hand side, and then move the playhead to the end of the clip, or wherever you want the scrolling text to stop. Add another keyframe and then move it all the way to the left, like that. Now when I play this back, there I have my scrolling text. You can add a background to the text to make it look more beautiful. To do that, you're going to head over to Essential Graphics. Within Essential Graphics, select the text and then scroll down to Background. Select the background. Now we're going to give it a red background, for example. Select OK. And then down here, you can control the properties of the background. That is how transparent you want the background to be, the size of the background, and also the edges. So if you're fine with what you have, so right now I'm going to move my playhead right here. Now I want to expand the background so it looks like the text is scrolling on top of the background. So something like this. So I'm going to add more space to the beginning. Now with the background added, I'm going to remodify the position. So I'm going to head over to position, and then I'm going to get rid of these old keyframes, right? Because I'm redefining it. So I'm going to do this. So I'm going to move my playhead to the beginning of the clip, add a keyframe right here, position it how I want it, and then move my playhead to the end of the clip, and then move the text all the way to the left. I think I might have to add more space to the end right here to increase the background. Now when I play this back, if you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, and also do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.